Was Phil Lynott Irish? Have you ever wondered about the roots of one of Ireland's most iconic musicians? Today, we are diving into the life of Phil Lynott to answer the question, was he Irish? Phil Lynott was born in West Bromwich, England in 1949. His mother, Philomena Lynott, hailed from Ireland, while his father was from British Guiana. Shortly after his birth, Phil moved to Dublin, where he was raised by his Irish grandmother. Growing up in Dublin during the 1960s, Phil was immersed in Irish culture and traditions. Although he was born in England, Phil Lynott always identified as Irish. He took great pride in his Irish heritage and often expressed his love for Ireland in interviews. His accent and mannerisms reflected his Irish upbringing, and he became a symbol of Irish rock music around the world. Friends and bandmates have shared stories about how he would correct anyone who misrepresented Ireland, showing his strong connection to his roots. Phil Lynott gained fame as the lead singer, bassist, and main songwriter for the rock band Thin Lizzy. The band played a significant role in bringing Irish rock music to a global audience. Their hit songs, like The Boys Are Back in Town, continue to be celebrated in Ireland today. Phil's unique background, being both black and Irish, made him a trailblazer in the music industry, and he embraced both aspects of his identity. For those traveling in Ireland, Phil Lynott's legacy is visible in many places, especially in Dublin. A statue of him stands proudly on Harry Street, near Grafton Street. This statue has become a popular spot for fans and tourists, symbolizing his importance to Irish music and culture. Many Irish people and visitors view him as an Irish icon, despite his English birthplace, because of how he lived and contributed to Ireland. In summary, while Phil Lynott was born in England, he was raised in Ireland and strongly identified as Irish. His impact on Irish music and culture is undeniable, making him a celebrated figure for both locals and travelers exploring Ireland's rich musical heritage.